Hello coders, in this video I am going to explain you something new. This case study will help you in my upcoming tutorial data analysis using pandas. Now let us start. So what I am going to explain you how to convert pandas data frame to numpy array using very simple method. Now so don't you worry, I am going to read CSV file that you can read. You can see here I have imported numpy as np and pandas as pd. Now let I read using read CSV function. I am going to read iris dataset, or at this time just understand it's a one CSV file. Now you can see just top 5 rows of this dataset or of this CSV file that you can see. Now let me check the type of this. So it's a pandas data frame. Now I want to convert this pandas data frame to numpy array. So let I give another name. You can give any. Just you have to write data.values, right? So now that's all. Entire pandas data frame is now converted into numpy array. Also it keep as it is the values data type. Here integer is integer, floats are float, and also string is string, right? So this is the easiest way to convert pandas data frame into numpy array. Now suppose if I want to convert only one column, so let me check the columns, right? So I want to convert only one column of this data frame. Let I select this one, right? So let I give another name, data1. I want to convert this column into numpy arrays. Just you have to write values. Please remember this. So data1. Now you can see. Now let also we check the type of this data frame. Now you can see it's a ND array. So this is the easiest way to convert pandas data frame into numpy array, right? Most of are using this one to numpy array. But please remember, during the machine learning and other tasks, we will use these values in place of this one, like to underscore numpy, right? This is the another function that you can use to convert pandas data frame into numpy array, right? So almost both are same, but machine learning professional are using values, right? So you can see it's the easiest way to convert pandas data frame, like just you have to write values. Efficient and fast way to convert pandas data frame to numpy array. I am sure this will help you in the machine learning process and data analysis using pandas. Thank you for watching.